Wow. What's up? Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just gonna be eating the McRib and talking to you guys for a little bit, you know, being a little critic. But make sure you share this video with a friend or family member. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.
Get the McRib. Keep Parker gonna bring it outside too.
Alright. What's up, world? I'm Damien, back with another video. And for the second video of my little Vlogmas, I'm gonna be trying out that McRib for the first time. I'm waiting for it right now. They made us park after going through the drive-thru because I guess they had to prepare it or something. But I'll come right back after I get the McRib. Alright?
A few moments later.
Got it. Just got back home from McDonald's. Hold on. Thumbnail. No. Alright, so as y'all can see, I got the McRib, the special McRib box, right? Feast your eyes on that. Oh yeah, I know you like how the camera just focused. Beautiful. Right? Let me take it off. Get my napkins ready and stuff. It's looking a little messy. Just a little bit. Oh, it has onions in it, bro. Take a look. Onions and pickles? Bro, if you know me, you know I don't like any of these. These two are like my least favorites. But I'm gonna do it for the video, alright? So, thumbnail for real this time. Alright, boom, got that. So, let's get straight into it. First bite. Actually, no. First, just examine it some more. Alright? You see, it doesn't appear as if there's any bone here, because if there was bone, my braces and my mother's money paying for them would go down the drain. So, I'm pretty sure I'm good to eat this, because there are no bones. Alright, first bite. Let's go. Wow. The sandwich is amazing, bro. I'm really about to tear up. This is different right here. This is different. Take a look. As I said before, there's no bone. And this is a limited time only, so I had to cop it for the video one time. I'm gonna be honest, bro. The onions are a little excessive. I gotta be honest. I gotta be food critic Damien real quick. Like, look at this. I don't know about you guys, but once again, I don't like onions. So I'm gonna have to take the onions out. Alright? McDonald's headquarters. If you see this, reduce the onions by like 50%. Because that's just excessive for me. It's the onions for me. Yeah, I'm gonna take the onions out. Now I'm gonna dig in once again. And as you can see, actually, just Look at how soaked this bun is. Just from that little rib sauce or the barbecue sauce that they put on this. It's crazy. It's well dressed. Well dressed. But once again, too many onions. Or too many pieces of onion, I should say. Overall, out of 5 stars, I'm going to give the McRib a 3 out of 5. No disrespect. I'm not really accustomed to eating fast food sandwiches because I've stopped eating fast food for like maybe a couple weeks now, but I had to go back to McDonald's for the McRib. But yeah, 3 out of 5 stars. That's solid, in my opinion. Food critic Damien. That first bite hit though. That first bite went hard. Ooh, I'm in here with no bev. Oh man! Alright, y'all. I'm back with a drink. Specifically a bottle of water. Not a beverage. Look up the definition if you want. Water is not a beverage. But once again, back to the McRib. It was okay, you know? I'm not gonna hate on it. It was cool. But it's not as gas as I thought it was gonna be. Like that first bite, I'll admit once again, that first bite was crazy. Like that was just, it was okay. It was okay. I suggest you try it yourself if you're into that lifestyle, that fast food life. But I wouldn't go back for a second one personally. It was good though. It was good. But I'm gonna end off the video right here. So please make sure you share this video with a friend or family member. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. We out.